Hi folks, today we have on my bench Joe's QuadraFire 800 Pellet Stove Controller. Joe brought this in to me because he was having a problem with the combustion fan not turning off after the unit had reached room temperature. So if you weren't running the stove, for example, and there was no fire in the pot, and it had been in that mode for a while, the combustion fan just kept running and running and running, and basically stealing all the heat from the house and blowing it up the chimney stack. So I've got my temperature simulator set to 65, which is kind of supposed to simulate room temperature, a little cooler. And you can see that the combustion fan, the blue one, the blue light, is on right now. I'm at close to the end of my 10-minute wait period. So I anticipate that in a few minutes here, or in a minute or less, this controller will shut that light off and effectively turn the fan off. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. In the background, we should hear Google tell me that the 10-minute timer is up. So we'll see how closely they match with each other. So I'm just going to wait this out a little bit here. I think I'm at about less than 1 minute left for my 10-minute cycle. Let's see how that works out. I guess I started this video a little early. So there's the 10-minute timer from Google. Okay, Google, thank you. Turn off that. And there it is. The controller shut off the combustion blower fan. So that's it, Joe. Thank you for bringing this controller to me for repairs. I appreciate it very much. This shows that the controller will finally turn off the combustion fan, and I think that's the repair we needed. Again, thank you. I appreciate it very much. Bye-bye.